Yo, what's good, man? It's your boy Meech the Preach, man. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be updating you guys on my 1 month homeless journey, man. Today marks 1 month that I have not had a house, that I have not had a place to call home, except for my truck. So I guess technically I'm houseless. I'm a month of living in my truck, man. So I just wanted to update you guys and let you guys know the ins and outs of how it's been. You guys probably been watching my vlogs. I've been traveling. Right now, I'm currently in Phoenix, Arizona. I kind of like it out here, man. But let's start off, I guess, with like week one. Week one was cool for real. We were still on the East Coast traveling. I think the farthest we got was like Arkansas or something like that. It was cool. It was I started meeting a lot of people. I met someone. I met this couple inside of a Planet Fitness in Virginia, and they're doing van life too, but they're in Cali right now. And then I met somebody from Jersey in Memphis at the Bass Pro Pyramid. He's in Austin right now. So I met 2 new people in that first week. It was kind of cool and stuff like that. The second week, it kind of was getting to me a little bit. This is when I was in Texas and stuff like that. It was kind of getting to me just because, like, you know, Spike was stinking, it was raining, you know, just a whole bunch of stuff, like trash was piling up, my tires wasn't good, just it started to get to me and stuff like that. And then the third week, I kind of took like a week off and stuff like that because my mother was in town in Oklahoma, and Spike it down, and my grandparents live in Oklahoma, so I was trying to you know, see them because they were having something, I don't know, they were having like a dinner or something like that, so I stayed there for a week. And then so that was like a little reset for me and stuff like that. So you can't really technically count me living in my car, but you know, that was kind of like a little reset for me to spend some time with family and stuff. And then these past 2 weeks, that's when I left to Colorado. I was in Colorado for about a week, and you know, I was really messing with Colorado. It was just cold as shit, man. It was too cold out there. And even in Utah, like, I was just starting to feel like, you know, like, damn, man, I ain't gonna lie, it started getting to me, bro, because like my car was getting trashed up again. I had a situation with mice. I think I almost got killed inside of Utah and stuff like that. So that shit was starting to get to me. And you know, even like the money aspect and stuff, like just traveling across the country, bro, gas is my biggest expense, man. Gas and food, but gas is the biggest expense, man. And you know, for a while I wasn't like finding a way to make income on I was just making you know, purchases with my savings and credit cards and stuff like that, which I still am doing, but I found a new way to make money, other than DoorDash or task grabbing, because you know, that's the main ways I was making money. Bro, why does sirens have to come? People have to drive with big broken trailers and stuff when I make a video, but that's beside the point. But yeah, man, I found ways to make money online, through different ways, YouTube being one of them. And you know, it's not the most money right now, but it's still keeping me being able to provide for myself, and you know, be able to you know, still survive, like, you know, like I just said. But this week is when I started learning about, like, all right, I need to stay more clean, more cleanliness and stuff like that. You know, my hygiene is very good, but like last week I was in Utah and I wasn't around any like Planet Fitnesses or anything, so I couldn't take a shower, and I went like 3 days without taking a shower, bro, and I just felt disgusting. And I don't know, man, like I cleaned out my car the other day, cleaned out my truck and got it real nice because, you know, I had that mice situation and stuff like that. That's disgusting to me, man. I don't think they were inside of the truck, but they were in the back trying to keep warm and stuff, and there was some food back there. But that still freaked me out and stuff like that. So once I cleaned my car out, vacuumed all Spike's hair out and stuff like that, you know, did my laundry, it started making me feel more better, because I kind of felt like I was living like a slob and stuff. Like, there's a difference between being homeless and being a bum or a hobo or something like that. And I don't want to be a bum, bro. Like, I just don't got a house, but I'm still traveling and stuff like that. But that doesn't mean I have to be dirty. Like, when people hear about homeless and stuff, like, they think, oh, yeah, you gotta grow a beard out, you're gonna smell like shit, not gonna wash your teeth, not gonna wash your ass. Nah, I still do all that stuff, but I started to like like let my hygiene go a little bit, because it was like I just kept driving. Like, you know, every night I would be somewhere different. Like I would do stuff in the daytime and then drive at nighttime and then find a place to stop. So I wouldn't really have time to sit down, stop, and you know, fix up what I got going on and things like that. So now I'm starting to pace myself a little bit more. And I am in a hotter climate, so it's like it's not as bad being cold, where it's like if I'm cooking, my hands get cold, so I just pack everything up real quick, make sure it's like tight and stuff. That's why I think the field mice started coming. But yeah, man, like this past month, like it's crazy it's already been a month, but this past month's been crazy, man. Like I don't even know how many states, man. I went from the East Coast and I'll be on the West Coast at the end of this week, man. But I will be going back to Oklahoma for Christmas to spend time with my family. But for Thanksgiving, I'm just gonna find somewhere like to do like a little Friendsgiving or stuff like that. But actually last night, like I said, I've been meeting a lot of people. I also met I met this couple in Colorado. They stay in like a slide-in camper, and then I had met someone else somewhere. I forgot though. Like, I will say this journey is forcing me to learn my true self, learn my bad habits in life, and you know, helping me meet like-minded people. Like I've been so outgoing. Oh yeah, last night I had met this lady. I went to this like dog-friendly park. There's a vlog on it. This dog-friendly park or dog-friendly restaurant called Osha in Phoenix, and or Oso or something like that. And she was from DC, and we started talking. We were chatting it up for a long time, probably like 3 or 4 hours, and she was real cool, man. So I will say, like, in this journey, I've met a lot of people, and that's what I'm thankful for. And I have been getting closer with God. You know, I have been getting closer with God. I'm still not perfect, but I've been getting closer with God. And even like, you know, I feel like this forced me into a place to grind, to hustle and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying, man? Like, I literally don't have anything except for my truck. So it's like I don't have anybody. I can't go and, hey, let me come stay with you and stuff like that. Like, or let me get some money. Like, this is literally forcing me to grind, find ways to make money. It's like, you know, I read something today. You have to lose it all and hit rock bottom in order to build a stronger foundation. So, you know, when the people are building a house, they dig down and they hit, like, I guess like bedrock or something. They got to dig down, tear everything down, hit the rock bottom, and then build a solid foundation on that. Because if you try and build a foundation on not a solid piece of ground, the shit, you can build the highest tower, but once a little earthquake comes, once a little commotion comes in your life, it's gonna all topple over. So that's kind of how I'm feeling like right now. Like, this adversity I'm going through, even though I put myself in this situation, it's making me become a better person and making me grow as a man. So I will say that in this last month, it's been a journey, and I've enjoyed the journey a lot. But, you know, if anybody is thinking about doing this, man, I encourage a lot of people. I'm not gonna straight up and say go homeless and live in your car, but I encourage a lot of people. Like I would do that. Like, I'm still in this journey, but like I would do this past month over again, just because it was such a growing month, and it was such a learning month. And I've learned so much more about myself in this time. And I also feel like my family has been, like, so much crazy stuff has happened since I've been gone. Like, my family's got closer. My uncle's having a baby. You know, my sister got a dog. Like it felt like my family was stagnant or just negative for a long time. But ever since I left, it feels like they all got closer and we got closer. Now we say I love you. Like, back then, if you watch my old videos, we wouldn't really tell each other I love you and stuff like that. But now, you know, I guess me leaving the bird's nest, you know, it made them clench onto everybody else and me even more, because, you know, I'm gone now, you know. So I will say, yeah, it's got my family closer. It's helped me get closer with God, helped me get closer with Spike. Even Spike, man, he's like last night when we were at the place, he was loving up on this lady. Like, at first he was scared, but she gave him food and he was licking her. He was trying to cuddle with her, light and nipping her. We be going to dog parks and stuff. And I've also felt like my mind's been more clear. Like, I've been able to think more. Like, I do have ADHD, and you can even tell by in this video, it's like little things will distract me and throw me off topic, but it's been getting better. Like, I'm prescribed ADHD medicine, but I haven't even been taking it, just because, you know, I feel like not as stressed out anymore, you know. I feel more free, more open. Like, I put myself in this uncomfortable situation. That way I can grow as a person, you know? I've been in the desert, I've been in the cold, I've been everywhere, bro. And it just feels good, man. I really think this has helped me grow as a person. And if you're feeling stuck in life or feel like you don't got nothing, you're not getting anywhere in life, you're stagnant, you're depressed and stuff, this may be an option for you, man. I encourage you, if this is what God's telling you to do it. You feel me? Look at my journey, see if you have a similar story, and then try it out for yourself, man. If this don't work for you, you didn't fail. At least you said you tried. That's how I'm feeling right now. If this doesn't work for me, and you know, in a couple more weeks or days or months or stuff, I'm like, bro, this is not for me. I didn't fail, bro. I did not fail. You wanna know why? Because I did it, man. I did it. I would have failed if I would have kept thinking about it. I was thinking about this for like 3 or 4 years. If I was still thinking about it 3 years from now, I would have failed. You wanna know why? Because I never would have did it. I would have never have stepped out my comfort zone and did what I wanted to do, what I said I've been wanting to do for a long time, man. So yeah, I didn't fail. Like if this don't work for you, but at least you tried it. At least you tried. You didn't fail. Every shot you don't take is a shot that you miss. At least if you take a shot, you have a 50-50 chance of you hitting it. But yeah, man, I feel like this will help you. This has helped me grow as a person, grow my family, grow a better relationship with God, most importantly, with Spike, with myself. Taught me how to speak to more people, get out of my social anxiety, and it's been helping me with addictions and vices and stuff like that as well. And bro, being out in nature, seeing new things, bro, life is an adventure. Enjoy it while you're young. Or even if you're like 50 and stuff, you're still young. Even if you're 80, you're still young enough to go out and do something, man. Even if it's just going to ride in a park or something like that, man. Go out in nature, do something to make your life feel better instead of just being in a stagnant same place. Especially if you live in a big city. Big cities are the worst. You wanna know why? Because everybody's so low life. Not low life, but everyone's so low energy, low vibrational and stuff. And when it's conjoined in a big cesspool of negative energy, you're gonna be susceptible to becoming a negative person. So even just going out on a hike, bro, or going camping for like 3 or 4 days, bro, just try it, man. This has really cleared my mind, and I feel like it will clear yours as well. Hiking is a big one, man. So it's like, it's a very cool journey, man. I'm glad I took this journey, and this is the 1 month update of me being homeless. But we still got a long way to go, man. And I want y'all to see this journey of like how I bring myself from rock bottom to the top of the mountain, man, to the pinnacle point of my life. But yeah, man, that's crazy. But we're gonna be hitting up Cali the end of this week or early next week, and then I'm probably gonna make my way back towards Texas and Oklahoma for for Christmas, and then I'm gonna be going back to the East Coast, maybe down to Florida, or I may stay out in Arizona for a little bit. I don't know. That's the beauty about, you know, traveling full time. You could go anywhere, bro. If you could find income online or something, it's so easy to find income online. You just gotta grind and get to it, man. But yeah, this is the 1 month update, man. There's probably more that I should have covered, but I'll cover it in like the 2 month update or 3 month update, or however long I'm doing this for, man. But with that being said, man, if you guys got any questions, or if you were thinking about doing this, just watch my journey. If you got any questions about you want to do this, hit me up on Instagram, hit me up in the comments, man. With that being said, man, it's your boy Meech the Preach. I love y'all. If you're new to this channel, subscribe to the tribe. Patreon down in the description below. That being said, man, I love y'all. Catch you on the next video, man. Gang.